Hey, so if you've seen the Google screen fall down trick, yeah, it looks like the whole page collapses or falls like gravity is pulling it down. This is not an official feature inside Google. It's a fun web animation trick using a demo page. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it in 2026. First thing, open any browser like Chrome or Firefox. This trick works using online interactive demos. Next, search for Google Gravity. So, you're looking for a physics-based demo, not an actual Google setting. All right, open a Google Gravity demo site like the classic interactive version. I mean, this is where the falling effect happens. Now, wait a few seconds. Everything on the page will start dropping down like it has real gravity. Next, interact with it. So you can click and drag items, and they'll behave like physical objects. All right, try other versions too, like Google Sphere or Google Space for different effects. And yeah, just refresh the page to reset everything. That brings everything back to normal instantly. So that's how you do the Google screen fall down trick. It's just a fun browser-based animation, not an actual Google feature.